Please rise so that we may say the pledges.
So like your key would be this.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor to the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Okay, hold on just a second, guys.
Intense waiting.
That's fine. I can do.
And we are back from a short hiatus. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Daniel Serna.
And I'm Hope Anderson, and this is the Tuesday edition of the Stallion Scene.
We are excited to be back, y'all. Teachers, please remember to check the list of students who are selected to attend the Black Men in White Coats Youth Medical School Summit. Ms. Moore sent an email with the list. If you have any of the students on the list, please send them down immediately during Pride Time on Tuesday, which is today, December 3rd. Registration of the event is limited. So if we want to make sure that every student selected is able to attend.
Newcomers will meet in A9 on Thursday. We hope to see you there. All students who owe loss of credit tutoring hours are reminded that they are due no later than 9 a.m. on December 13th, 2019.
And the Fashion Club is meeting today. And guess what, guys? Shirts are in.
Woo! When Harold Hill, a traveling con man, arrives in River City, he convinces the locals to start a band by purchasing the uniforms and instruments from him. His intention is to flee as soon as he receives the money, but his stay in the bleak city has twists and turns of all sorts. Come enjoy the music and dance of Meredith Wilson's The Music Man, presented by North Mesquite High School's Fine Arts Department, on January 16th, 17th, and 18th at 7 p.m. Tickets can be bought in advance for $7 or at the door for $10. Please see Miss Morrison or Mr. Orsak if you have any questions. I'll see you there.
Did you register for the December 7th SAT? Make sure to print your admission ticket by Friday.
Seniors, the college room will be closed from December 7th through December 13th. Stop by this week to finish your college applications or your financial aid application.
And attention to UIL Stallions. There will be a mandatory meeting for the Computer Applications and Accounting 2019-2020 UIL team. Please plan to meet with Ms. Powell in room C8 after school Tuesday, December 3rd at 4 p.m., which that is today.
And remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell to get all updates from the AVP team. And remember, pride and courage conquer all.